I'm going to show you how to get the cover off and back on the Babytrend infant carrier. All you're going to need is either a butter knife or a flathead screwdriver. So let me show you how to do it. The first thing we need to do is go all the way around the edge and just lift up this lip. There's like a little bit of vinyl that just hugs onto the lip of the plastic. So I go all the way around and take that off. Now there's two pieces to the cover. One that goes right where the headrest is, and then the other one that's kind of the rest of the seat. Now the next thing we need to do is run the straps out so that we can get the cover off. So on the back, you'll see this one strap coming up and then two straps for the shoulder straps coming out. There's kind of a C-shaped little metal ring there. We just need to slide the straps one at a time out of the opening. Easier said than done. That's stuck there. There we go. Alright. And then they'll just pull through from the other side. Okay. Now coming back to the front. With those straps out, let me lower this bar so it's a little easier to see what we're doing. Those straps out, we are now at a stage where we just have to push the straps through the bottom part here. So there's two different pieces of plastic on here, the strap between the legs and across the chest. You just kind of have to move them around until you can get them to fit through that hole. It's not a easy fit, but if you twist it the right direction, you can get them to slide through there. Pull that strap through. Same thing here. Just kind of get it at the right angle so it'll fit through there. And then slide that strap through. So there's the bigger piece. And the smaller one is really easy. It just slides right off. And there you go. Both machine washable, so treat them, throw them in the wash. And then when you go to put them back on, now this piece is a little hard because it won't just slide right on there. You kind of have to get one side and then get the other side on there, but then the one side wants to slip off. So you have to kind of go inch by inch on the right and the left sides at the same time. Okay, so we got that one on. This one, so we've got the big opening, that's where the headrest goes. We know that's the top. I recommend doing the straps before you get any further. So make sure you've got it the right direction so that the two chest things are facing in towards each other. It's not twisted. And then we're just going to feed it through just like we did before. And again, you kind of have to turn those parts sideways to get them through. And same thing over here. Again, make sure it's facing the right way so it's not twisted, so those chest straps will click together. Slide these pieces through. Okay, then we got that. I'm going to bring this big hole around the headpiece. And then let's get these straps through this opening. Now, in order to do that, we are going to need to go on the back here and make sure that this dial is all the way up. Make sure I'm in the picture there. So you can see where this little bolt is, kind of shows. It can slide all the way down to here or all the way up to there. That moves where the headrest is. So we're going to twist it until it is all the way at the top. You can see there. Okay, then this is when our butter knife comes into play. So from the front, we're going to feed it through. Again, make sure you don't have it twisted. And we're going to feed it through. Don't push a bunch of it in though, because it's just going to get stuck. A little more light here so you can really see what's going on. So you can just barely see the strap here. And what we want to do is that strap forms a loop. We want to try and get the butter knife right into that loop and pull it through. This is the hardest part of the whole thing right here, is just getting the stupid strap to come through. So you can see the strap pushing through right there. In my experience though, if you just push, it just kind of bunches up right there. So I try and get a butter knife, something just right through the corner of it. Just enough so that I can pinch it and bring it through the rest of the way. Then you'll pull this one through and it goes right back into this ring here. So it'll just slide right into the opening like that. I guess we better do the other one first though, because it's on that side. So we'll do the same thing with this strap and then put it in and then put this strap in. Okay, once we have both straps through, like I was saying, we'll take that C-ring, slide this one in first, then the other, and then this slack will come out once we get this flipped over. And then if you do need to adjust the head rest height, now is the time to do that again. Just spinning this little dial will adjust the headrest height. And then we just need to slide this back around the lip of the plastic of the car seat. And the buckle comes right up through this hole there. That's all there is to it.